A very good afternoon to everybody. And today again I come up with the message of the day and a tarot card reading. So let's see what's the message. The person you are asking about is trustworthy. Thank you for helping me have faith so I can open my heart wider in my relationship. I'm grateful for your protection, ensuring that only trustworthy people are in my life. So if you're confused about a particular person or anything, it can be not even only in a relationship, about a friend. So the person who's there in your mind right now, that person is trustworthy. Then is make a commitment. Archangel Michael, as the angel of courage and confidence, I call upon you to lend me your strength. Allow me to commit to myself, my life, and my divine purpose. Please clearly guide me so I can fully open my heart to every experience. So basically, this is making a commitment to whatever divine guidance you're getting for your life purpose. It can be a spiritual, or it can be as a relationship, as a role you play as a mother, or even in work wise. So listening to the guidance that you're getting and making a commitment with full strength and confidence. And this is the new deck. So this is Amethyst, revealing your true self. As you allow others to know the real you, you will feel love for who you truly are. So many a times, we are not really true to ourselves or true to others. Like, we probably have a different picture, like if a different side of us, and we show a different side. But this card is telling that it's time to reveal your true self in a relationship or in anything that you're going through. Say your true feelings, show your true side, and if they really are meant to be in your life, they will be. So this is showing revealing your true self, and not saying your true feelings, whatever is there, and always being true to yourself and to others. Now this is a tarot question that I've taken. So this is a very different question which I just thought about today. Many a times we have people who really annoy us, who really irritate us, or we just don't know how to handle these people. So this is a card, or this is a tarot reading on how to handle negative people, or people who make you angry, or who annoy you a lot, or who really take away your patience. So I think we all go with this situation. So let's see how to deal with these people right here. uh, okay, how to deal with negative people or people who annoy you, right? So the first is a Lover's card. So if there is anybody who's really irritating you, try to love them. Try to see the positive side in them rather than seeing the negative side. And a Devil card has come. So this is also that if you are feeling negative from them, you will get more negative, right? You will be feeling more negative. So rather than again maintain distance from these negative people. And one was Lovers. Try, if try to change your feelings for them or be away from them. Third card is Money. Concentrate more on your career, more on the other things in life. Fourth, the other card is Space. Take a space from them, kind of ignore them, or have limited communication how much ever possible. And the last card is Either End It completely. So how to deal with people, negative people right now? So it's Lover's card. Either you try to love them and have good feelings for them, and also see that negativity is coming to you. So for you to be away from that negativity, lower the communication, take a space from them, or completely end it. So I think this was a good answer. And I do see people telling me read for me. So read for me, you have to either tell me the question or anything, so in the next reading, Neelam, I would be doing your reading since I am finishing this reading. But yes, in the next reading tomorrow, I would be removing a card for Neelam. Or wait, right now I'll remove a card for you. Okay, Neelam, if you're reading. Okay, Neelam, if you're watching this, so I've removed two cards for you, Neelam. A favorable outcome. This is that thank you for the beautiful outcome to this situation, which is perfect and fair for everyone involved. And it's time to leave this unhealthy situation. So these two cards have come for you. So you have to leave the unhealthy situation right now, maybe anything that you're going through, and the outcome would be favorable. So try to detach yourself or leave it, and don't worry about the outcome. It would be favorable, and I hope you have got the reply. So anybody who wants, I can even read for them. So I told you relationship and career, it is leaving the unhealthy situation right now. If you cannot cope up or anything, leaving it, and don't worry, the outcome would be favorable, Neelam. If any other question, I will be doing the reading for you tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please do share it. And any suggestions also, please. Thank you so much.